Hey everybody, it's me Ivy. So good morning or whatever. Yes, I have some purple lights, sneak peek of Halloween, and I have my gnome right there and my pumpkin right there over there. Yeah, right there. There you go. Anyways, for today I have a story for you about my Birchbox. This is the box. It's so cool it has that. They wrapped it, of course you can tell it's bubbled. Anyways, a cool box. I'm very excited. Anyways, my box, well, they always have different shipping partners to ship these boxes to people. So it's very confusing. Some are good, some are not good. Sometimes they ship the box right away and it gets here whenever the time is, or when they scheduled or whatever. Sometimes it's like all over the place, or I don't get my box sometimes. It's just a hot mess. Anyways, um, this month's been weird for that. I supposed to my box is supposed to be shipped on the 10th. So, yeah, it started shipping on the 16th. And it was supposed to be here on the 20th on a Monday. I'm looking at my calendar. Um, it's been 5 days. Yesterday, I finally got my box. So, that's why you haven't seen a Birchbox video. So I'm gonna do that for you today, and yeah. And sorry, I've been MIA, TMI period, not well, very harsh. And I've been taking. I'll talk about that stuff later, but I've been taking these kind of like weight loss kind of, let's just say pills. It's just the easier way. Um, and I didn't drink enough water. I didn't drink water with it, so it made me go to the bathroom a lot. TMI. That's the side effect, and feeling lightheaded and not, But I'm better. I'm healing. I'm getting my energy back, getting my motivation back. So, yeah. Anyways, I just want to give that an update. I'm doing okay. We're doing okay. Um, so yeah. Anyways, back to the Birchbox. Um, mm, okay, this. I'll just do that because it just that's for me. So if I want to purchase the stuff on the back or so, this is what I got. I wish they give more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wish they do 6 items, 6 samples. That'd be nice. They used to do that. Alright, this is this. Not very exciting. They didn't put a doodad in here. And they didn't rock very good. So this is what I have. Not very exciting, but it's something. It's something, people. It's something. Alright. I have this. Excuse me. This Balance Me mask, hair mask, or face mask, excuse me, face mask. Full size is $29. It helps brightening, uh, puffing, plumping, and revealing natural, um, more youthful glow skin. Just leave it on for 15 minutes. So yeah, I like that. That'd be nice, like little pamper sesh. All right. Oh, that is number 4. Okay. This is number 4. This is like a really, really small sample to the point that they had to put really small words so I couldn't really read this. I had to like do this to the light so I can like, oh, okay. Because sometimes I like to show my mom what I got because sometimes if I don't want something, I share with her or my sister. I have a little Birchbox that's ready for her. And I just put samples that I don't want in there for her, and then like Christmas or whenever we go to see her, or see them, excuse me, um then I give it to her. So I like to share. Sharing's caring. But anyways, this little guy is number 4. Is a restore, excuse me, sorry I make you yawn, repairing oil. um Full size is $26. It's lightweight. Um, oh, it's for your hair, so it doesn't weigh down your hair, but it helps. Um, let's see, just shine. Yeah, adds extra shine. That's what it is. Like lift for your hair. I don't know. I have to think about that because I really don't really care for their brand and you know. Anyway, next product I have. Oh, yep. I have here for today is this Dream Cream. Let's see, nighttime moisturizer. It's right here. Sorry. Um, Full size is $38. Um, you see, is the way you sleep? Sleep with? Yes, this is the one you sleep with because it's nighttime. It helps with signs of aging, dullness, fine lines. Excuse me. I woke up at 7 something and I decided to put this up before I have other things to do. Anyways, yeah. Okay. 2 more things. This is what I picked for my box. Sorry, you're on your eyes water. It is bugging me. Ugh. This is what I look without glasses. I can't see. Okay. Alright. Back to action. Alright. So this is what I picked for my box. I picked the Sona Riley. Here, I'll do this. There. That's what it looks like. Alright. This guy is a good. Oh, it's a treatment. Let's just say that because I can't say that word. Full size is $85, which is their brand is expensive. Let's see, best selling high salicylic acid treatment. Helps with the skin cells, plumping, fine lines, even out hydration. I hope that's hydration because that's a big long word. I cannot say that. Boost your skin glow. So that's nice. That's a nice little treat. Not buying the full size, but it's a nice treat to have in the sample. It's nice to have one high end in your box. Alright. Last thing is this Works. Hope you can see that. Anyways, Stress Check Kind Hands is a hand cream. Full size is $22. This is deeply moisturized hand cream with vitamin E and shea butter for dry and sensitive skins. Use my social hands. So that's nice. That's a nice sample there. That's always good to have a lot of lotion. Because, you run out of lotion a lot. Especially during the fall time. And my nose is runny. So that's that. But I like this. Cool. So I don't know what I'm going to do. It's definitely like a spring kind of summery box. Because I have my other ones that I use. Anyways, that's that. I hope you guys like the video, like what I got for Birchbox, and mini story about it, and update on what happened to me. And yes, God, I can't wait till October, because I have these 3 boxes here just staring at me. So you have to wait till my birthday. Yeah. Wait till I get the 4th box. And for my birthday is October 13th. I have my birthday a little early to go to Buffalo Wild Wings. It's my tradition for my birthday. It's just nice to get out of the house. Because I don't really have friends to hang out with, so I gotta do. Anyways, to see one of, my team, I like football, don't judge, but I do like other teams. My favorite is the Seahawks. Of course, you see wearing that. Anyways, they play a couple days in October, so one of the days we're gonna go, and that be my early birthday, and then my physical birthday, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna be 32. I still look young. It's good. It's good. So yeah, I love you guys. Please be safe and have a wonderful fall day. And yeah, bye. And it's pouring right now. Okay, bye.